Resigning totally from working from someone is not always the best for me. That's my experience. One of the things that I would do if I'm starting over is to take my accounting serious. Because I realize that there's one thing that small business don't really regard so much. And it's from beginning, if you don't really take it serious, your business will collapse. And then also not to allow family spend into business profits. It destroys business. But I have challenges with employing people. When they come, they seem to be okay from the beginning along the line, then they start misbehaving. When they come, we pay them well. I don't really know why they are not serious.
Welcome to today's episode of My Business Story, where real entrepreneurs share the raw, unfiltered journey behind their brands. We explore the moment that shaped their hustle, the challenges they've overcome, and the lessons they are still learning. Whether you are building your own business or just love a good story, you are in the right place. Let's get into it.
My name is Safia Emanuela. I'm the CEO of Safia's Foods. Under Safia's Foods, we have the Zaki Cafe and more, which has to do with the snacks alongside with the beverages. And then we have the Zaki Bev. That one, we are solely into the bottled juices. That is the local drinks, such as the Asana, the Sobolo, the Lamuji, the Burkina. Okay, and then we have the bottle juices that has to do with the pineapple juice, the watermelon, the tamarind juice. Yes. So we started this business in 2023. Whilst I was still doing my 9-to-5 job, I was still doing this business on the side. But along the line, I realized I couldn't combine the two. So I had to take the decision to resign my 9-to-5 job and focus on the business. Starting, it was my little saving. That was what I actually used to start the Burkina business. So I think I started with 200 Ghana cedis. That was way then. I didn't have a label, but that time I was taking their labels. So I just had to have my capital, which was the 200 Ghana cedis to start with. So that's how I started. But then I had an ice chest. It was my auntie's ice chest that I used. So, and I didn't have a fridge. So when I buy the product, what I do is to buy an ice block. Working and doing the business at the same time was a bit challenging. For sometimes I'll have to run away from work to go and then buy. Sometimes even I would have to leave home early before I go to buy the product. By the time I come back to work, I've missed my reporting time. So these are some of the challenges that I used to face during the time I was working, at the same time running the business. It was tough. It wasn't easy at all. But because the passion was there, I still had to push through to seeing that the business is still ongoing. Just as I said, we started from the house, from home. And what we did was, when we moved from buying from elsewhere, we now started going into the market going to buy the raw materials from the market, from the Nima market. For us to purchase a refrigerator, we had to buy it on a high purchase. And so whilst we're selling the Burkina, we're paying small until we're done. So most of the equipment that you're seeing around, we bought it on high purchase. So whilst the machines, the juicer, everything we buy, I think some of the equipment like this, it was friends that had to loan us. So it is like an investment. They invested into the business, then we are paying them with an interest. So that's how come we're able to acquire most of our equipment. And then some of the raw materials, we buy, we sell, we buy, we sell. So that's how we got to where. And then the whole structure, this very one was through this structure was from the business money, but for equipment was from the business money. But this whole structure was from my savings from where I was working, my PF. So that's how come we came up with this whole moving the business from home to this place. So I resigned my job in 2020, and then since then I've been doing this job full time. You can combine doing your own business at the same time working for somebody. But if you realize that the demand for your work is more, the income you are earning is more, then I would advise you to quit. But if it is not, the profit you are making or the income is not more, for the time being, still work with someone and still operate your own personal business. Resigning totally from working from someone is not always the best. For me, that's my experience. You need to make sure that the business is firm enough for you before you can resign. So I have worked in a lot of corporate jobs before venturing into my personal business. And if I should choose between the two, I would say doing your personal business is actually the best. Reason is profitable. It is your own business. You are able to grow with the business. You know the strength of the business. You know the weakness of the business. Apart from that, too, you are able to meet a lot of customers. You are able to understand how human relation is, and you're able to solve a problem by giving them a good, healthy beverages, because people are much more concerned about what they consume today. The health benefit is what we are actually keen to provide for people out there, so that they would switch away a little bit from more taking off the carbonated and do more of the juices or the made in Ghana product. It's very lucrative, especially when you put in the right measures, you put in the right accounting, you put in the right goals. That one you will be able to enjoy at the end of it all. Okay, so we'll be producing for the church and then event as well as shop. But when we open up the shop front, that is the shop walk-in, where people can come and patronize, we make a total about 5,000 Ghana cedis a month.
Ghana is home to over 2 million small and medium enterprises, the heartbeat of our economy. But only a few ever break through beyond their neighborhoods, beyond their streets, beyond their cities. That's why my business story exists, to give these everyday businesses the voice, visibility, and platform they need to succeed. If you believe in supporting local dreams and growing African businesses, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's tell their stories together.
It wasn't difficult getting my first customer because the people in my church knew me. So for them, immediately I started, they knew the product. It wasn't hard for them to patronize it. So it was easy to pick up. So they came to me because they knew me. You know, sometimes when you're selling to people who you don't know, you have to do a lot of convincing. But with this, it wasn't really hard for them to patronize from me. And they have been a solid growth of the business, yes, through their purchasing of our products. We've gotten to where we are, gotten to at this point where we now have a walk-in shop where people can come and buy. That has been a proudest part of it all for us, the growth, yes. We are 2 people, but I have challenges with employing people. When they come, they seem to be okay from the beginning, along the line, then they start misbehaving. They don't take much, I don't know whether it's the trending that is happening, but the challenges has to do with, they enter with a little passion, along the line, then they seem to relax. So this has, and then it's difficult getting workers. It's really difficult nowadays. To get people who are really serious to work is hard. When they come, we pay them well. But I don't really know why they are not serious. We pay them well. For payments there, we pay our workers well. But I don't know. I don't know what is that. One of the things that I would do if I'm starting over is to take my accounting serious. Because I realize that it's one thing that small business don't really regard so much. And it's from beginning, if you don't really take it serious, your business will collapse. So, and then also not to allow family spend into business profits. It's destroys business. Yes. So that's one thing that I will look into the accounts and take it serious. Yes. If it's business money, let business money be business money. No family spending into business money, because it collapses the business. I'm saying this based on experience, because along the line, if I didn't really become much more firm, business would have collapsed because family was hopping into business finances. Starting this business is a very lucrative one to do, because now people are much more concerned about what they take in, in terms of their health. So, and it's profitable too. You don't need so much to start up this business. If you have 100 Ghana cedis, you can start it up. So I would advise anyone who wants to actually, first of all, you need to know your market niche, people who are much more health conscious, before you can start it. Not just getting up and starting it just like that. Because you may start up and then in your environment in which you are, they don't really care about these things. So anyone who wants to start this business is a brilliant idea. They are happy. They appreciate what they are. It's like value for money. So they appreciate what they have purchased. And they enjoy it's not just only about the health benefit, but they enjoy the product that they purchase. Yes. And they keep on coming back. Yes. Because just as I said, with the front shop like this, they keep on coming back. That should show that they are really enjoying what they are buying. So measurement has helped us to stay consistent. Yes. And then also how we produce the items, the fruit juices. We are always on gloves. We wash our products before we produce them. Yes. Entrepreneurship has taught me to be very focused, resilient, and very determined. The road is not smooth, but if you are focused, if you know what you want to achieve at the end of the day, you would keep put and not be afraid. Yes. Mm-hmm. We have the capacity to cater for any kind of event. We travel outside Accra to any part of the region. If you want us to travel outside outside Ghana, we are available. Just link us up. At Zaki Cafe and More, we are reliable. We are not a scam. We are the best in what we do. We are authentic. Yes. They can contact us on TikTok. That is Zaki Cafe and More. On Instagram, Zaki Cafe and More. And then on call, it's 0200731320. That's our call line. So I'm Emmanuela Safian. I'm the CEO of Zaki Cafe and More, and this is my business story.
Thanks for watching today's episode of My Business Story. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone chasing their own dream. Subscribe for more real stories from entrepreneurs across Ghana and beyond, because every business has a story and yours could be next. See you in the next one.